Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute and super simple spring flower headband. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take some of my Bowdabra bow wire. Just going to fold it in half. I just want to make it long enough so I can tuck it underneath the mini Bowdabra. So we'll cut it there and put it aside and just fold it in half and just tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take this really pretty, this is from our spring ribbon kit, I'm going to take the right side of the ribbon and put that down into my mini Bowdabra. Then I'm going to fold it back over, again take the right side, put that into my mini Bowdabra, then find the center and just scrunch that down into my mini Bowdabra. And then I'm going to take my floral pick and I'm just going to lay that into the Bowdabra. Then we're going to make kind of a little flower. So we've just sort of cut these in a sort of a half moon type angle, and I'm just going to lay these. And you want to do this with a wired ribbon because it works a lot easier when you go to shape out your bow. So we're just going to take this yellow and lay these in. You can see it's sort of forming into a flower. And then I have this little blue just to add a little color to it. We'll put that right down into the center. And I'll take my mini wand and just lay this, just scrunch everything down. Then what I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to take the two ends and pull them through the slip knot. Pull it really tight while it's still in my Bowdabra. Pull it out and then I'm going to separate the ends. Bring it around to the back. And if you wouldn't mind if you could hit the subscribe button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook and Pinterest. That would be so amazing. So now we're just going to tie that tight. Then I'm going to take my headband, and I just think this makes such a really pretty spring or summer hair bow. We're just going to tie a knot here. And what I'm going to do is bring it into the inside of the back of the headband because I don't want the wire against the little girl's head. So we're just going to tie that off there and knot it. And then what I'm going to do is clip it really tight in here so there's no wire. Just tie that there. And then I'm going to just shape this out. And the reason that I like the flower petals to be wired is because it makes it easier to shape them. And so you have your cute little flower, and then I'm just going to puff out the loops here. And now you have this adorable little headband, and how super simple and quick. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.